Hello to everyone. This is Venkateshwarlu. Today I am going to explain about the basics of Ohm's law and relationship between the voltage, current, and resistance. How different parameters going to change by using the Tinkercad software. So here I this is the Google, and I am going to type Tinkercad. You have to log in. You have to log in with you have to sign in with the Google account, your Google mail ID, and it's taking time to open. Okay, so you will get this window in this 3D designs next circuits. So here I'm going to select the circuits because I'm going to design a small circuit. So next, create a new circuit. This is already designed by me. So here I'm going to design the new circuit. You will get this window with the components list. So this is the components. If you see this drop down window, you will get different either basic components, all components, and different components list. So basic components in this, to study the Ohm's law, we need resistors and also we need the power supply. So here I'm going to take a resistor. See here, this is the component name and it is the first component and resistance value. So it is 1 kilo ohm. So 1 K. So this resistance. So this is the first resistance. Next, we need power supply. Whatever the component you need, just you type it. So this is the power supply. Just you select and drag and drop here. You will get the name of the component. So this is the power supply. So this is the first power supply. And here you can change the component value. So this power supply actually 30 volts and 2 amps range is available. But here now we are taking it is just for the 5 volts and current also for 5 amperes. So these values we can change it. So here the component power supply taken and also resistance taken. So this is the voltage source and this is the resistance. Now next I'm going to connect the components. So this is the take here positive terminal connected. Next, this is the negative terminal connected. So in this resistor, so there is no any polarity. You can connect any terminal to positive or any terminal to negative. So here 1 kilo ohm resistance is connected across the 5 volts power supply. So as per the Ohm's law, V equal to IR. So current I equal to voltage V, 5 volts by 1K. So we will get the 5 milliamperes. So this is the design of the circuit. Next, we have to go for the simulation. Click simulation, start simulation. Check now the voltage 5 volts applied across the 1 kilo ohm resistance. Then you will get the current I equal to 5 milliamperes. So next, stop simulation. Next, we are going to change. So here we can change the voltage value, or here we can change the resistance value, anyone. So first we will change the resistance value. So for that we have to connect one more resistance either in the series or in the parallel, or we can change this component value also. For example, this component value I am changing as 2 kilo ohms. So now 5 by 2 kilo ohms. You have to get 2.5 milliamperes. So start simulation. Take here, we will get the 2.5 milliamperes. Again, stop simulation. So next, the same component resistance value I am taking 1 kilo ohm only, but I am taking one more resistor, and that resistor first I am connecting in series and will check. So to connect in series, so first we have to delete this wire. So for deletion, just you click on the wire and delete. Next, you take one more resistance. Here we are connecting in series. So this is the series connection, and this is the second resistor with a resistance value 1k. Now again 1k in series. Total value is 2 kilo ohms. Next again we are connecting. So now 5 volts connected across the 2 kilo ohms, same like previous. But now two are different resistors, each with 1k, 1k. So again, you have to get the same 2.5 milliamperes. Go for start simulation. Check here, you're getting the same 2.5 milliamperes. Again, stop simulation. Again, remove this wire, the delete button. So again, this resistor also delete it. So next I am taking one more resistor, same like 1k, same like 1k. But here this 1k resistance and previous 1k both I am connecting in parallel. Previously connected series. Now here I am connecting parallel. Parallel connection is over. So when resistors are connected in parallel, 1k, 1k means 1000 ohms. Equivalent resistance is 500 ohms. So when you connect in parallel, resistance value going to decrease, then current value going to increase. So check here, start simulation. So current value increases to 10 milliamperes. So like this, if we change the resistance value either by connecting one more resistor either in series or in parallel, then correspondingly the current value going to change. So stop simulation. So here now in this we are changing. Previously we changed the resistance value either by connecting series or parallel or by changing the component values itself. Now we are going to change the voltage value. Previously 5 volts applied. Now here I am applying the 10 volts. So 10 volts applied across the 500 ohms resistance. Again, go for start simulation. Check here. So 10 volts applied across the 500 ohms. Then the current I equal to 20 milliamperes. So like this, you can check the Ohm's law either by changing the voltage value or by changing the resistance value and how much current passes through that components. Okay, like this you can check. Okay, this video is useful to you. Okay, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.